one of the things I learned about doing this white paper was that there's sort of, the haves and the have-nots. And I would say that these 6 or 7 things are what are most important for separating the haves and the have-nots. So good at-home internet connectivity makes a huge difference. Obviously, you know this. Some of you certainly have students who don't have any internet connection at home. How difficult can we make it for them to participate in education when it moves out of the classroom? If they have parents with technology knowledge and a willingness to participate, huge plus. If they have devices to support at-home learning, so they have reasonable devices that fit with your system, that are not 10 years old, beautiful. If you have IT support and staff at schools that can provide support on a continuing basis to teachers and students and parents to answer questions as they come up, that's a beautiful, beautiful thing. If you have teachers who already have technology knowledge, not everybody has this. The ones who do are going to get it quickly and move. The other ones need much more time and loving care. You need a program for ongoing teacher training for everyone, because I'm sure you've had this experience. You learn by doing with this technology. You cannot watch a 5-minute video that shows you how to use Google Classroom and then just be an expert at using Google Classroom. You need to watch, you need to try, you need to bump up against problems, you need to solve those problems. And this is everyone's experience in learning to use technology. And you need a great suite of digital tools. And we'll go through that, that's a pretty long roster of items. Okay, so our goals in this program, I've given some background. Our goals in this program is to review with you the challenges with distance learning, to give you the fundamentals of supporting technology, to go through curriculum issues and strategies. This is going to be a little bit more in later sessions. We're going to talk about the importance of organizational structure and staff training, again, a little bit more in later sessions, and socio-emotional support for everyone in the process. And I think this is very important, is that we want to give you a focused solution to what your situation is. And so we want you to feel free. We're going to ask a few people to be volunteers in this process, to come forward and share with us what they're dealing with, what the issues are, and then everyone can share, and we can talk about what solutions might be and help you come to a good answer for moving on and solving your problem. So the program structure is flexible and collaborative. We're going to do with these real case studies. We're going to have discussions. We're going to be sharing knowledge and experience. You bring a lot to this. You're all professionals with experience, and we want you to share that knowledge with each other. It's interactive. We're going to use chat along the way. We'll hold some polls and surveys. We're going to provide you with references, which will become a sort of curated list of resources that you can go to way after this program is over. So we put a lot of effort into finding what we think are a good list of various types of tools and videos and readings that don't burden you much, that are efficient in terms of using your time, but cover a lot of these issues. We're going to provide everybody with a certificate at the end of the program. And those of you who would like to get continuing education credits or professional development credits, we're registering with the University of Georgia roster for this. But if you'd like us to work with your local organization or your professional organization so that you can use this program for credits, just let us know. We'll do whatever would be helpful in that